That is actually pretty loud. What is up, YouTube? Finally back riding again.
Well, isn't that special?
It's been raining in Omaha the past 5 days straight, it seems like. So it's been hard for me to ride. Last week I was out of town traveling. So I haven't been able to upload videos like I want to. So it's fall for sure. Halloween's coming up. I don't trust this minivan that knows this lane ends. So I will pass her. Nah, she's turning anyways. It's been so long, it was actually hard for me to get the Rascal started. It took me a little bit to get some gas in it. I may have gone out just a tad early. Some of these roads are pretty slick still. That's alright. It's been well over a week since I've even ridden, so you kind of lose the feel a little bit. Pass the joint, dude. Dude was passing his joint to his wife. So I don't want to be the only one to get hurt by smoking. Alright, so I came in here because next week, a week from today, I will be setting up fireworks.
But that's illegal.
Doing a fireworks show for a walk/run event where they reserve this entire city park and Lake Zorinsky. I think it's a non-profit organization that helps families that have lost children during infancy or during pregnancy. And I think October is like Pregnancy and Infancy Loss Awareness Month.
That is correct.
And that is actually where I'm going to be shooting, in that parking lot. So I guess I'm thinking this trip is a little bit of a scout. They've already got rope up. Oh, heck no, I'm not going through that. I will get soaked. I did that one time and got flooded. I mean, it did rain a bunch. That's like a lake. So I'm going to go over to where we're actually going to shoot. I should have brought my laser rangefinder. Last year the crowd was really close. I mean, we were still compliant, but it was a little bit nerve-wracking. You know, it's easy to ride a motorcycle at speed, but one of the more difficult things is to ride a motorcycle going really slow. I mean, I'm going like 6 miles an hour. Maybe 8. And to make tight turns. So if any of you guys are taking the motorcycle safety course, to pass it, they make you do this box where you have to turn this way. And then basically it's a box, but they make you do a figure 8 and you have to turn this way. And I just did it in double the width that they make you do it in. They actually make you do it in I think the width of like these yellow lines. And you're not on a Rascal. It'd be one thing to be on a little bike to do that, but you're actually on like a bigger cruiser style bike. At least I was anyways. Okay. Well, that's enough of that. Man, this thing is running strong today. I think the rascal was feeling neglected. Needed to run. Either that, or it's been so long since I've ridden a motorcycle, even a rascal feels kind of fast to me. What timing? To get that green light there? That never happens. Oh, nice Corvette. That was a Grand Sport. C6 Grand Sport. Out of habit, I almost did my Corvette wave to him. Those of you who don't know, Corvette owners have a salute. We have like a one-finger wave that we do. It's this kind of wave. Just kind of acknowledge a fellow Corvette driver. I think it's the only car that I know of that does that. I mean, Mustang owners don't do that to each other. I have a BMW, and most BMW owners are probably too snobby to do that to each other, to wave to each other. Oh, no one's here but Hawk. See, Hawk's still here. Just kidding. That's Hawk's storage. I know Hawk's not here. I got a coworker. His name's not Hawk, but we call him Hawk because when it comes to food,
good.
He is like a hawk. It's like he anticipates food coming before it even arrives. And it's not just me that notices that, but everybody notices that. I know I saw the Mini Moto Squad over here the other day. I'm not the only one that comes back here. Look at all these tire burnout marks. It's hilarious. Oh, hello, lake. I'll go around you. Access granted. And this is a little bit of a hill here. Incline. It's not exactly the easiest for me to... Oh, dang. In this canyon, my engine sounds pretty stinking loud. This guy back here is going to be like, why is there a motorcycle back here? Well, looks like he's just working on his... fixing his camper. But oh well. So we are going camping a couple weekends from now. Try to get one last camping trip in. You know, this storage works out really well because it's so close to my house and so close to work. But they have a limit on size. So this is our little travel trailer. It's like 17 feet long from the back to the front, which is really cramped for 4 people. The total length from the back side to the front side is like 21 feet, maybe 21 and a half. I have a padlock on it, like that wouldn't be hard to cut off. Looks like with all this rain, it's kind of getting rusty. Anyways, she still looks like she's in good shape. We just got it last year. Coachman Clipper 17BH. BH standing for bunkhouse. Oh, good. I'm glad to see that we locked it. Little doggy bed. Oh, here's all our blankets. There's something in here that I was going to get that we need, and and my wife's always like, "Oh, it's in the camper." I can't remember for the life of me what it is now. I think it was maybe a game, so maybe we don't need it as much. I don't know. It's pretty empty in here. Unless it's underneath. Okay. Saw what I needed to see. Still own a camper. Hello, bike. Or, hello, doggy. Little kid. Man, I put my foot down right there. Right here. It is slicker than snot. And keep in mind, motorcycles are rear-wheel drive. So, I could see that being a challenge if you had like 104 horsepower back there, like my ZZR. Since I literally have like 9, it's probably not as big of a deal. Watch out. Out of the way, little Audi. Trying to back up into me. Oh, look at the reflection. Ooh. I know from past experience, that is not a fun speed bump. Neither was that. I have no idea what... Oh, you know, you have to dress up in one of those blue outfits and you're a dude. Just for great clips. He looks like a blue Barney. Honestly. Slow turners.
Hold on to your butts.
Pulled away from traffic big time now. That wind is holding me up like a sail. It's really funny. I'm going 55 though. Well, it was just good to be out riding again. Probably not that entertaining for you guys, other than if you're in the market for a little tiny camper. Hit me up, I might sell you mine. Since we use it about 2 to 3 times a year. Well, hopefully Nebraska doesn't get blown out tonight by Wisconsin, but it probably will happen. Until next time, have a great week, everybody.